Welcome back to Coiners, dear friends. So today I bought nearly 2 dozen of US and British coins. Old, modern, circulated, uncirculated. Mostly they are at about uncirculated and extremely fine conditions. Great many of them I purchased from coin shop in Baku. Remainder from flea market of Sabunchi located on the outskirts of the capital. Now let me show you them one by one. These coins inside holder are at different grades. I'll examine them thoroughly in the coming days. Here is 2000 the Sacagawea dollar. Very nice find for Coiners collection, as we never had one until this day. Pretty cool coin. This is uncirculated 1976 Kennedy half dollar or 50 cent. Commemorative issue. By the way, we never had half dollars among our coins, as a matter of fact. Very nice coin. Man, this coin is really something. Denver Mint Lincoln cent from 2007. Only distractions are these carbon smatters above and below Liberty. Both sides are almost pristine. It displays cartwheel effect. At mint stage 65 or 66. Love at first sight for this coin, really. Another half dollar, this one from 1971. It looks like AU coin, as rims display some abrasions. On the reverse, eagle head exhibits traces of die fatigue, but overall most motifs are sharp. One more Kennedy, this is from 1984 with mint mark D, Denver Mint. Probably at mint stage 60 or 61. Yet another half dollar. It looks like pretty uncirculated to me as well. 1973 Denver. Another uncirculated gem, 2007 Lincoln cent. This one carries no mint mark, therefore struck in Philadelphia. Coin is almost free from contacts. Strike is razor sharp. Surfaces display golden red luster. Let's open our first bag. Majority of coins inside this bag are from Commonwealth countries and feature Elizabeth II on a verse. The 1974 Canadian 25 cents. Young Elizabeth II on the front of a coin. Second portrait, if I'm not mistaken. 2015 Elizabeth II 5 pence from Great Britain. Surfaces display brilliant reflectivity. Very charming specimen. Next, 2003 Canadian 1 cent. $1979 Canadian 10 cents, briefly circulated coin, highlighting the Queen on a verse. This is one kind of a Lincoln penny, minted in 1995, having very attractive toning with slight hint of silver grey. Picked it at first sight. Next, 1987 1 penny from Jersey Island. First time seeing the legend Elizabeth II in English. Here is 1990 5 cent, extremely fine condition. $2009 2 pence. This is Queen's fourth portrait, about uncirculated coin. Next, Canadian 1980 10 cents. £20 minted in 2010. Very nicely preserved coin. Here is bronze 1980 new pence. We have round shaped, very interesting patination of verse. About uncirculated 1 penny from year 2000. Forced portrait. It displays great abundance of copper red luster. This must be relatively rare coin if I'm not mistaken. 1956 1 shilling. As you can see, it has slight wear on device and some tarnish around the beaded circle. 1984 5 cents from Canada. $1978 new pence, second portrait. Next, Canadian 2003 25 cents, about uncirculated. This is one lovely example, isn't it? 1979 new pence. It displays crimson red patinations throughout and obverse. On the reverse I noticed the damage on the rim. Could be lamination flaw. I'll examine it thoroughly in the near future. Uncirculated 1 penny from 2001. It has numerous hairlines on the fields. Other than that, no major distractions here. Opening next bunch of coins. Hope you enjoyed the video. But you can also make us happy by hitting the subscribe and bell buttons below this video. 1965 1 penny from UK. Very fine condition, with trace of luster. $1975 10 new pence. First 10 new pence joining Coiners collection. And here is 1973 10 new pence. These two are circulated coins. This one is at about uncirculated condition. 1980 new 10 pence. Motifs of device are razor sharp, just few insignificant ticks and bag marks. Another old coin 1957 1 shilling, featuring young queen on obverse. Moving along to 1969 10 new pence, circulated and at very fine condition. But these last three coins my father brought from flea market of Sabunchi earlier. 1992 10 pence, 1992 20 pence, and 1992 1 penny. Now for all these beautiful and relatively rare coins I paid only 70 manats, which makes little more than $40. I think it's very good deal, as there are many uncirculated coins among them, including MS65 or 66, 2 Lincoln pennies. So thanks for watching guys, your opinion is highly appreciated, so we'll be looking forward to your comments below this video. Was it bad deal or good deal? What do you think? Have a wonderful day.